The future city is more than buildings, vehicles and people. Green spaces also play an important part. Researchers at the Tallinn University of Technology are adding dynamic plant life to the city's digital twin. This Green Twin virtual solution shows us how urban flora changes over time and helps us understand how these changes affect the city's ecosystem. The Green Twin will help urban planners by indicating where more shade from the summer sun is needed, where greenery could cover up traffic signs, or where autumn winds will start to blow after trees lose their leaves. The result is cleaner air, a nicer atmosphere, and a better environment to live in. The future city starts at Taltech.